of the concentration that are on these young men's face right now. It's all or nothing. Let's meet our next cowboy right now. This is Julie Schultz. Victory, Idaho cowboy. Balboa is the bull underneath this young man. We are looking for a score. Tonight. He's from Blackfoot, Idaho. Rampage is the bull. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Looking for a spot to get up. He does it. You betcha. Points, 72 points. See what happens when the people voice their opinions and make their vote. Hey, this is Colin Williams on Ghost. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's right. We've got 2 qualified rides. This will make number 3. So, how about this? How about 88 points? 88. Woo. And liberty and justice for everybody that wants to live here in the greatest country in the world. And I need to know, how many of you are proud to be Americans in Idaho? Ladies and gentlemen, that symbol of freedom that blows in the wind right there is the last frontier of freedom. Once those 3 colors, the 13 stripes and the 50 stars are gone, there is no more freedom in this world. And it lies in our hands as Americans right now. And if you're proud, I know you're on your feet. And I ask you to put your hand over your heart tonight and sing along with your voices as we honor America with our freedom song. This is our national anthem. Oh, say, can you see by the dawn and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air, and the home of the the song, our great big screen, had a little taste of what we're going to get here on Saturday nights. Oh man, Idaho Falls, are you ready for bull riding on Saturday night or what? Well, what do you say we meet the Cowboy Protectors, the Madison Flooring Bullfighters? Let's say hello right now to Riker Fenstermaker and Matt Shaw. First Cowboy. This is Riggin Benes, and he has got a bull they call Jasper. Let's keep it. Oh, and Jasper says, not today, Riggin, not today. Which, by the way, this is our derby, so these bulls are all 3 years old. They're young bulls, and that means some of them have not been bucked out with riders. Dalton McClassen is the kid inside this chute. He has got a bull that they call the plug walk. We're doing away with the 8 to... No, I'll tell you in a second. Hang on, let's hang on. Oh my goodness.
Whoa! That's slippery there.
Well, must be. Maybe it's past his nap time. Maybe he's just ready for bed.
Yeah, I don't know. It might be a pile of Nancy Pelosi right there. That's probably why he slipped on right there, I think. I'm just guessing.
We're here to have fun, okay? If we say anything that offends you tonight, seriously, just brush it off to the side. We are here to have fun and make people laugh.
No, email the announcement.
Exactly. Yeah. Tally Sears on Hank the Tank. Let's ride a bull tonight. Wow. I tell you what, we're a little shaken up right there, not moving just yet. He needs a little air right now. Idaho, he's communicating with these guys behind the buck and shoots, but he could sure use a little extra air if you've got some.
Woo!
And Hank the Tank drops him off like a rocket.
Is that the bull's name? Hank the
Yes.
Tank? Oh, man.
Hank the Tank from Less Than 8 Cattle Company.
Oh, here we go. Man, I'd go in there and help you a bit. You look like
I'm getting my 15 minutes.
So I gotta explain something for just a second, okay?
Okay.
And I really want people to pay attention to this so they know what's going on, okay? So the bulls, this is a bull event as well as a rider event. So we've got two different kinds of scores, okay? So the bull is gonna get scored every single time, all right? Now your horse is real proud of you, buddy. Get that thing out of here, would you? So the bull is going to get scored every time. We do have a couple of scores. We'll tell you here in just a moment. Hey, here's Cason Palmer has got the Warthog. Cason Palmer is the Cowboy looking at buck and shoot number 2. Pella Woods endures buck and shoots. Looking for our first 8-second ride of the night. Ouch. Oh, look at this. This is getting serious.
Yeah.
You know it's serious when they're pawing the ground.
Yeah, that bull's kind of cute though, isn't it?
Yola, you think that bull's cute?
He's definitely cute.
Right?
You know, I'd like to take him and put him in my ex-wife's house.
Your ex-wife's house?
You think she'd like that? Oh, look
Maybe.
at
So 83 points for the bull. 83 points for the bull. We do have numbers coming in for the bull. He's nodding for it. Let's get it. Check the clocks.
I'm gonna go find out what his time was, okay?
Okay, you go over there and try to figure out what his time is. And when you figure that out, ask that judge if he can count to 5 for us. Okay?
What was his time? What was it? 391.
391.
Oh, should I time it? Can I time it? Okay, I'm gonna time this next one. Whoa, stand still.
Hey,
Behind you.
stop. You're in a lime green.
Oh my gosh. You seen your
Here's
beard?
the Cowboy Repo Man. Is the bull. Let's go.
Wow.
Turn the right direction. He's saying we're ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? This is Petey Bradshaw on a bull they call Blackhawk. Let's get it now. Wow. Man. I'm telling you, that lasted about as long as a Kardashian marriage.
Yeah, it did, didn't it? Oh, buddy. Oh! Holy Toledo!
Faster than she left Pete, that's what Cornell said.
So I left Pete, yeah.
Folks, we are desperate for a ride here on Saturday night. Connor Schultz might just be the guy to get it done on the back of a bull that they call overtime. You're gonna have to work a little extra hard if you want to ride this bull. That's how he got his name. He's inside that bucket shoe right now, taking his rap, taking no strangers. Stay on for 5 seconds. We're gonna pay you $100. Stay on for 8. Well, you might get to help pay for some other people's colleges before the end of the year.
And speaking of that, my mortgage now identified as man. Uh-oh. He's got one of those cool earrings. Yeah. Everybody, our announcer is from Missouri, okay? That's like being from a different country, kind of.
No. We're not talking about California. We're talking about Missouri.
Don't you guys eat frogs for like breakfast, lunch, and dinner in Missouri?
No, but frog season does open up June 30th. Just saying. Just want you to know that.
Yeah.
You've never gigged. Okay, you're not American if you've never been on somebody else's pond where you're not supposed to be and gigged frogs. I'm just
Gig
saying.
frogs. What's gig frogs?
That's what you do. It's frog season. You gig them.
What
Like
do you do?
spear
I'm
'em.
gigging.
You spear a frog.
Nice.
Hey, I'm telling you right now, in youth group growing up, we fed a lot of kids coming to our church for the first time with frog legs. I'm just saying. We told them it was chicken. They believed us.
That's a coming to Jesus moment.
If they only knew. Hey, Riley Barnes, the cowboy. Locomotive is the bull. We need to ride a bull for 8 seconds. Oh yeah, come on.
Wow.
Wait, hold. Did he stay on for 5 seconds? Oh my goodness. Did we stay on for 5? Did we?
No.
Oh no. Sorry, buddy. No $100 for you. Staley, the cowboy. Pyro is the bull underneath him. Johnson Brothers Buck and Shoot dealing up the matchup. Here we go.
Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, save your life. Oh my word.
No, guys, you can shut that gate. It's a false alarm. I don't know what. Yeah, no one is hurt. Nobody's hurt.
Oh.
Yeah.
Were they alarmed by me yelling?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes, they were alarmed. They all started to come out the gate. It's like nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong. False alarm.
Something might be wrong. There's a dude wearing makeup near the arena.
What?
Somebody tackle him and get him.
Where's he at? Oh, wait a minute. It's you.
All right. Oh, there you go.
It's just you. Wow.
Hey, did anybody notice the mustache and beard on our Outgate rider?
Wow, that's pretty impressive.
Yeah. That puts Rip to shame.
He just wants to take it
Doesn't
down.
it?
He's taking it down.
Yeah,
Wow.
that is a lot of toe on the end of that rope.
Right?
Other in four-wheel drive.
Like, hang on, I got
Oh,
a
yeah.
hip.
There you go. Hey, are there any rednecks in the house?
We got rednecks.
Oh, he's getting loud.
Get your hands going. Come on, Idaho.
Oh,
Bob. This kind of reminds me of getting my grandpa out of Victoria's Secret.
What? Do what?
It's like, come on, Grandpa, let's go. Oh,
Wow.
yeah, you cannot get him out of there.
Remind me not to ever go to the mall with you.
Or my grandpa.
No.
All right, here we go.
All right, come on. We need some help right
Oh,
here.
yeah. I love
Help
Cordell.
us sing this song. Yep, that bull leave here in a minute.
He's getting circled. He's stubborn.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. You took the midnight train, girl. Just a city boy, born in
bush and daisies underneath them.
All right, hold fast. Put this on. Put this on.
I'll put it on.
Woo!
That's right. Here we go.
Whoa!
Wow.
Go, 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 go.
Yeah! Yeah! Give it up for your butt fighters! Wow. They're my hero.
Wow. Unbelievable. Hey, he doesn't
It's 'cause of
like
your blue shirt.
Yeah, nobody else likes this either, buddy. It's fine. It's fine.
Wow, camera guy!
Whoa, watch out. Wait a minute, hold on. Let me put this up here on the screen.
Camera guy!
Take the picture.
Hey.
Take life with a little bit of salt, a lemon, and a shot of tequila, okay? That's basically how we roll.
Wow.
He did.
You didn't give me a sweat bag, so we are meeting Miles Johnson right now, who in high school was a world champion basket weaver. You don't make this stuff up. Oh, look at this. Oh, man. Oh, man. Go on. Go on. Oh, is he Oh my goodness, Idaho! Look back on this replay, look at the efforts. I mean, hanging on for dear life. Show me the money.
Woo! That was awesome.
All right, we're going back to it right now to our next cowboy.
Oh,
Miles Johnson is the cowboy right now. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Seeing what the survey is going to
I was
say, where are
alive
they
when
going to
this all
put him? Okay, here's the deal. 68 championship points. Here is McCray. Kramer Sell is the cowboy, and he will take a no score, but maybe was the 5 second? Were we close? No, we weren't. Boogie Houghton is the cowboy. He's got a bull that they call Magnum, and this bull definitely Kyle can pack a nasty punch if you let him. This bull big moves out the gate. Big moves out the gate, gonna come into his hand, and you gotta try to make that corner if you wanna make that 8 second ride. But you know, one thing I haven't said all night, maybe this is my fault. This is my fault. I'll take the blame, all right? These guys have to ride on your enthusiasm that you give from the grandstands for every second that they are on one of these wild buckets. It only happens when that gate opens up. Turn them loose right now. And we're going to look back, see what happened on this gate. I know that he looked back at those guys and kind of indicated that maybe he was not ready for that gate to come open. How many guys would like to see him get another chance here tonight? Anybody? Yeah. So we look back to our judges to see if they are going to give him that option, and they are indicating that you are going to get that option to do it all over again. So Mom is going to be extra proud of you now, buddy. This is Jason Palmer. Here we go. Oh man, he hit the ground hard. They're gonna take a look at him right now. He is on the ground, and I do not like the looks of this at all. At all. I'm not trying to be the bearer of bad news. I will tell you, as soon as we know something, you're going to be the first to know. Right now, the object is to try to get this bull out of the arena. Out of the arena. He is moving. I can see that on the arena. That means he's probably in communication with those guys on the ground. So, okay, now the bull is gone. Let's take a deep breath. This young man can hear you, and he can sure hear from your hands right now. Make him feel a little bit better. Well, he's going to be okay. He just said that Donald Trump's still president.
Yeah!
Shoot, dealing up another matchup here is Caleb Rubio, the cowboy. Too short is the bull. Life's too short to not ride another bull tonight for 8 seconds. One man has made the whistle. Let's do it again. Let's make it 2-0. Let's make it 2-0. This is Logan Smith and Kid Rock. To this. Whoa. Pokey Houghton is the cowboy that we're fixing to meet, no doubt about it. The humpback, the bull that he has drawn in this round as we look to Matthews Plumbing. Buck and shoot, we're in desperation mode right now.
There you go. There you go.
Wait a minute, let's look back. Did we stay on for 5? We did! We did it! Oh, we're done. You're winning. It's fine.
Whoa!
Whoa.
He's just taking a peek.
Easy, Chuck Norris.
They said a full-grown man could ride this thing. Okay. Oh, here we go.
All right, here's Connor Scholes. Sleepy John. Woo. You know, Kyle, I don't know if we talked about this incentive or not.
Tell me.
But maybe in this section, we should just add up the total.
Come on.
Let's go! Okay.
Man.
Did he stay on
This
for
time
5?
for
Our final opportunity of the night.
Yeah!
She was a fast machine, she kept
Pokey Houghton is the cowboy that's going to round things out with our final chance here on Saturday night. Matthews Plumbing has the opportunity to bring us this matchup. Ladies and gentlemen, this is The Wire. We need to know if you're ready to help this young man to a victory here in Idaho Falls. Come on, come on. Oh my goodness, a no score to end our night.
Date night
Yeah.
at the Bull Wars.
Yeah.
It was a success.
And Sandy Downs.
How many people got 8 seconds?
1.
So,
Barely.
would you consider that a date night fail?
No, I think that was a date night win because we got dinner. We met some
VIP.
good people. And we watched a bunch of Bull Wars.
It was good.
It was fun.
And some fire dancers.
Yeah, lovely fire dancers.
It was great.
Wonderful job. Mm-hmm.
Maybe they could have passed for, yeah, I just won't say it. But some fireworks and great show
Yeah,
and good company.
yeah, always.
Have a good night.
Best company.
Mark.
I'm here.
Now, okay, so now I need a picture.